So one thing I'm doing today that I feel like is very important, obviously in most situations when you're fishing, is obviously where you are, but boat control. You know, an ideal situation, if it was flat calm where I could just drive around and make individual pitches to fish, that's what I'd love to do, but that's not always the case. You know, today we have a fairly decent wind, it's not too crazy, but I know where these fish are and I want to stay here, so I want to utilize anchor mode. But one thing I do a lot is after I find those fish, either on a search bait or just drifting, you know, and scanning around with active target and maybe caught a fish, is after I've sat here for maybe 5-10 minutes, you know, and I'm just not seeming to, you know, get the bites or I'm not seeing any fish. Obviously when I'm on anchor mode, my active target transducer is facing forward, and all I simply do is maybe it's, you know, 5 or 10 seconds, but I'll just pull it off of anchor and I'll simply scan around. They were last right over here. You know, I can see those fish have slid over here and they're at about 30-40 feet. Simply hit anchor mode again and I can make my cast, you know, right where I need to be, and I can get back to fishing and stay on top of those fish.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.